This call is now being recorded.
Thank you. See, now actually envelopes. See, what is the meaning of envelope means what? Intersection of neighboring curves. Suppose you should take a circle. If you move going on the circle means what here first here position. Suppose next is come like this. Next comes next. Comes next. So intersection what curves cover? That is the envelope. Suppose if you keep one ladder here, just if you slide down means what will get? Next will get, next will get, next will get. Maybe we will get this. So intersection of neighboring curves. Otherwise, you can take 1 rupee coin. This you can move, but that 1 rupee coin center won't change and radius same. But center change, the position of center change. Suppose here 1 comes 2 means what? It comes the same 1 rupee coin is what? Same 1 rupee coin only. When it becomes 3 4. Getting a line. So different various of locus of the neighboring intersection of neighboring curves is called envelope. Suppose if you slide down this 1 rupee like slowly, keeping in your hand. Very small 5 rupees coin. This time keeping here, this time moving like this. First this what curve, next like this. That time. So intersection of neighboring curves is called envelopes. That parameters actually the center may changes. Circle is same. Suppose radius is same. But if you're going on move is what? If stands here is what? This 5 rupee coin story is different. Suppose if it comes here means what? The same 5 rupee, the same area, but maybe the equation may changes due to center. Radius it won't change. So intersection of neighboring curves is called envelopes. How to solve procedure one by one we see. They will give first one by one problems waiting. Find the take down find the envelope of the straight line y is equal to mx plus 1 by m. This equation anywhere have you seen? Have you seen this equation?
So y equals to mx plus c.
What?
Y equals to
Equation
mx
of
plus c.
What equation? And anywhere have you seen this equation y is equal to mx plus 1 by m?
So equation of line.
Yeah, so y
Hey,
equals to
line
mx
Slope
plus
form
c.
of ellipse.
What?
Tangent.
No.
The slope form of line.
But somebody told actually.
Y is
So
equals to
slope
mx
form
plus
of
c,
ellipse.
sir.
Tangent.
Yeah. What is the condition for this straight line become to the tangent of the what? Ellipse. Right or not? Y is equal to mx plus c means what? C is equal to what condition you will produce? Tell me. Any line, it becomes to tangent to the ellipse means what is the condition? Y is equal to mx plus means what? C is equal to what? Y square is equal to 4ax. Not ellipse actually. Parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax is the parabola. Then y is equal to mx plus c. When it's become to the tangent of this fellow, what condition? C is equal to what? What is C?
Slope.
Hey, that is not slope, yaar. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the straight line. When this straight line become to the tangent of this parabola, what is the condition? C is equal to what? A by m. Correct? When C is equal to A by m, this fellow become the tangent of this straight line become tangent to the this parabola. Now here what is my A? 1. So what is actually my equation? Y square is equal to 4x is my equation actually. So that all tangents if you take means what? This is the form you get. Whatever may be slope, this is the form you get. This straight line if you drag on this means what? just you will get the parabola you will get. That's the meaning. Reaching or not? Okay. Now I want to remove this parameter. M is a parameter. They will tell you otherwise x and y cannot be parameters. This M should be parameter because different slopes I will get different lines. So slowly I want to remove the parameter. How you will remove? Differentiate with respect to M you can do. If you do differentiate with respect to M means what will you tell me? Y is equal to what?
dy by dm.
No, only STM with respect to M is 0 you will get. Is equal to what you will get? X minus 1 by M square. Differentiate partially with respect to M. Some dou by dou M of what is the independent non-neutral thing. Now, from this, what is my M square? So I want to remove the parameter. If you want, you can make partially now again this is the equation. The same problem I will tell you another stage after 1 hour actually. The same problem I can do attack differently. But timing now I am doing this. Now from this what I will get suppose if from 1 how can I write M by is equal to M square plus X. What is my M square? What is my M square?
1 by x.
1 by X substituted, what you will get? So this is equal to what? M by is equal to 2. Can you agree? Agree or not? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So from this how can I write squaring on both sides? My aim is what? In my hand only I have M square. So I try to bring always M square. So this is the envelope equation required error. Right? Like if you move like this means what finally what I will get different values of M. Finally I will reach the parabola I will get. Actually so if you know deeply means what y is equal to ms plus 1 by m nothing is what equation of the tangent. Otherwise if you don't know also no problem. This is the way of the doing. You can remove the parameter slowly. Differentiate with respect to parameter, then remove slowly parameter from the given equation. Then you will get the envelope. Copy down fast. Completed. Take another question. Find the envelope of family of circles. Find the envelope of the family of circles. X minus alpha whole square plus y square is equal to 4 alpha. Where alpha is parameter. Is the meaning of parameter changing the quantities? What parameter always? Now what I will do? Slowly I want to do what is alpha if I am able to tell my job is over. So differentiate with respect to alpha. What you will get? Tell me, right, partially differentiate with respect to alpha. Then what you will get? 2 into x minus alpha minus 1. This fellow becomes 0 is equal to 4. Then what will you get? X minus alpha is equal to minus 2. So, x plus 2 is equal to alpha. So, x minus alpha is equal to, I got minus 2. I will substitute that minus 2 here. Then alpha value. Substituting alpha value in 1. This if you want it again. Implies what will you get? X minus alpha I got actually nicely. Don't need to go back x minus x plus 2. Don't do actually. Don't confuse. Directly can substitute. X minus alpha is minus 2. I will substitute it. But some people write the textbook. Alpha is equal to, even if you want to write x plus alpha, x cancel and then minus 2 whole square you get. It's not a big deal. Then plus y square. Then what is there? 4 into x plus 2. So 4 plus y square. 4x plus 8. So y square is equal to 4x minus 4. No, plus 4. Which is the envelope of the given circuit. Take another question. Copied. Can I go next question? What is the answer? Y square is equal to 4 into x plus 1, which is the required envelope. Can you go furtherly? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copied.
Yes, sir.
After lunch, everyone getting sleeping, I think so. Okay. Now we see next problem. The same problems I will do in different pattern, that if after 10 minutes, time we can keep this. Then another one problem I will go. Then after that again parametric formula, quadratic formula. I'll tell you, don't worry about this. Now do another important question, tough question. So in DAD 5 we have 1, 3, 5. Yes, 1, 3, 5. Third order anyway, first two questions. DAD 1 is this period, and fifth order is what? Morning hour we have. From 11, 10 to something is there. That hour. Okay. Take this is also a good question. Find the envelope of the family of lines Find the envelope of the family of the lines x cos cube alpha y sin cube alpha is equal to A, where alpha is the parameter. Very good question. So I want to do with respect to alpha, I want to differentiate first. So partially differentiate with respect to alpha. Now cos cube alpha differentiation is what with respect to alpha? What is differentiation of cos cube alpha?
E cos square alpha minus sin alpha.
Very good. See, first you can write power formula, then cos alpha is minus sin alpha. Nice. Plus sin cube alpha differentiation
3 sin square alpha cos alpha.
is equal to
0.
very good. 0. Now, how I will write actually? Agree? Bring that side, what will happen is sin square alpha cos square alpha can bring x in 3 also cancel. So y by x is equal to what? Cos square alpha sin alpha divided by sin square alpha cos alpha. Square this cancel, this and this cancel. Now balance is what? What is the balance?
Cot alpha.
Huh?
Cot
What is
alpha.
it? Huh?
Cot alpha.
Very good. Cot alpha is equal to y by x. You keep one side. Now see the equation. Cot alpha in my hand. I want to remove sin alpha cos alpha. How I will do?
The triangular form in which we find other values.
How?
Like in the triangle, cot is like base upon perpendicular. So we can find sin alpha and cos alpha.
Cot alpha is equal to which side and which side?
Base upon perpendicular.
Base upon perpendicular, always true. Now we stand. Come on. If it is alpha, means now who will come?
AB will be the base.
Huh?
AB will be the base.
Now BC will help perpendicular. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular. Actually, now they will know. Don't tell perpendicular like this. Take like this means what? With alpha means what? With alpha adjacent side is adjacent. This is adjacent side. This is opposite side. Suppose here beta means what? For beta, this fellow is adjacent side. This is opposite side. Always you can say adjacent side by opposite. Don't say perpendicular. Both are perpendicular only. Right? So according to this angle, this fellow is adjacent to angle near to this angle. This side is what? Opposite side. For this is what? This is adjacent fellow. This is what? Opposite fellow. Don't tell perpendicular lines. This is also perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. Correct? So according to angle, what is the angle that you are telling base? Correct? That is your understanding. I mean, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but better you can repronounce. What you said is correct, absolutely. But in my case, I am very basic fellow. I don't know maths. This is what I will confuse. Always you can say adjacent, opposite. According to angle, my adjacent and angle opposite and change. That is the matter. Okay. Yeah. People are very smart here. Okay. Now I am taking a alpha. Now who is y, who is x? Who is
BC
y?
Y
BC
and
is what?
AB Y.
Not that. This fellow is x. But this fellow, I got this.
Under root x square plus y square.
Yes, Pythagoras will help us. Everything in my hand or not? Now copy down this first. Prepare the triangle. Then I will tell you how to remove. Yes. Shall I copy it? Right. From this, what is sin alpha? Tell me.
X upon root x square plus y square.
X by root of x square plus y square. Cos alpha?
Y by under root x square plus y square.
So everything in my hand actually. This equation 1 you can do. Substituting B and C values in 1. What are they? Then what will you tell me?
xy is equals to a into x square plus y square whole power 1 by 2.
What?
After substituting, sir,
Tell me what you get?
xy is equals to a into
Right.
square root of
Yeah, again, think. What is value? What is this fellow? Cube. So you have to raise the power or not? So what will you get?
sir after cancellation, sir.
Final answer you are telling, huh?
Ah,
Wait. Don't go here. Very fast. You are very fast. Xy cube by this fellow is what?
x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2.
Very good. Yeah. You can tell me. Then this fellow
yx cube by
yx cube by
X square plus y square under root.
sorry. Okay. Sorry. Y square whole power
3 by 2.
and this fellow is equal to a. Right or not? Now which term will common? From numerator who will come common?
xy by x square plus y square whole power 3 by 2.
Hey, come in. X, Y. Okay, this is also taking a very good, nice. Into inside is what? Yeah. Correct. Then this and this fellow same or not?
Yes, sir.
One X by Y also can take X. Okay, we do that. No problem. Now what you get?
1 by square root of x square plus y square.
3 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Then small time we do. From there on. Squaring both sides, what will get? This is the required angular. Correct or not? Check. Where we done wrong, I think so. Yes, correct. And they stop action text to x square y square equal to a square and x square plus y square. Just formula I am marching towards. Yeah. Okay. Another story is you can try if you want. This probably you can tell me. Do what tell me. X cos alpha by a. Y by b sin alpha is equal to 1, where alpha is the parameter and the equation of angular. This is also standard result, somewhere you are seeing. Equation of tangent of ellipse, anyone remember at x1 y1, remember or you remember? General formula, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent, what you will write? Are you there, all of you? Equation of tangent at x1 y1 of ellipse formula is what? X square you can change as xx1, y square you can change as a yy1. So xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square is equal to 1. Am I correct or not? That is at least yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Put x1 is equal to a cos alpha, y1 is equal to b sin alpha. What you are getting, tell me? X cos alpha by a plus y cosine by b, y sin alpha by b is equal to 1. Getting a. So from this, what you understand? The given is what? Equation of the tangent of the ellipse. Finally, if you solve what you want to get, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. You have to reach. That is the way of studying. Otherwise, if you don't know also, no problem. You can attack nicely. Seeing this question, from the question, you can tell the answer, okay, this is from this he is born. If you go back, this is the mother, he is the mother, he is the father, like this you have to tell. Okay, do fast. Try. You have another class after that.
Yes, sir.
We have 120 to 210, you know, we have a lot of time. complete this problem. Then I will do another thing. Right. Next, do the homework. So what is the answer? You know. What answer you get? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. No doubt. Now take. Suppose if parameter in quadratic form, note down. Parameter in quadratic form. Then without eliminating directly, I can write the answer. Quadratic form is normally what you remember, ax square plus bx plus c. X is in quadratic. Y in quadratic means what, ay square plus by plus c. T is quadratic means what, at square plus bt plus c. So quadratic parameter, suppose here alpha is a parameter. Distance line, whatever may be, sometimes alpha, sometimes m, sometimes c, whatever may be. This is for notation I am giving. If alpha is parameter. Suppose given equation like this, A alpha square, B alpha c. Then with respect to alpha, no need to do. What you will do? Directly you can write the answer. B square is equal to 4ac is the then envelope is equation of envelope is what? B square is equal to 4ac. Directly you can write. Note down. If parameter in quadratic form, then A alpha square plus B alpha plus C means what? B square is equal to 4a is the equation of the envelope. No need to differentiate with respect to alpha, then removing is not, all sort of things not required. Now you can see. Very first problem what I did, tell me. Today's first problem what I did.
Y is
What
equal to
problem I
mx
did?
plus 1 by n.
I'm coming, wait. What I started, very first problem. What I told, differentiate with respect to m, we can remove the m like this, I am telling. Now I don't want to do, so directly I will try to see how nicely. Who will come tell me? This you can make it from m by m square x plus 1. So m square x minus my plus 1. So this is appeals what? Quadratic in m or not? So whole fellow appeals what? Quadratic in m. Now who is A?
X.
Quadratic in, huh?
X
Who is B?
minus Y.
Who is C?
1.
So looking at this equation, now what I will tell you, the given equation is parameter is in quadratic form. So envelope is what? B square is equal to 4ac. That's it. I don't want to go for with respect to m. Then after I want to make it m square. Very starting initially the same problem I done 4 or 5 steps. Here not like this. Once if you know the all basics means what? As you like you can attempt. Correct or not? So here what I will do, tell me who is A? This is what? Quadratic in m. Now who is A? Who is A?
X
Who is B?
minus Y.
Minus
Y.
C 1. Then envelope is what? B square is equal to 4ac. Then y square is equal to 4x. Got it or not? The same problem I can differentiate with respect to m after squaring m, remove m, lot of things I done. But you see, I am attacking directly. So if the parameter in quadratic form is what? Directly I can write b square is equal to 4ac is the envelope of the given equation. Any problem?
No, sir.
Not down, not down. Very, very important. Maybe some 3 marks questions. These types of problems are very, very important. Very small questions only will come. Final test also. Find the envelope of the equation headline. Y is equal to mx plus root of a square m square plus b. See, this fell also standard. Where you are seeing, tell me. Somewhere you are seeing in the plus 2 level. Who is this fellow? Y is equal to mx plus c. When this equation, when it's become the tangent of whom? Who will come?
Ellipse.
Ellipse. So condition is what? C is equal to root of a square m square plus b square. Correct or not? Hyperbola means what you will get? A square m minus b square you will get. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So look at this, I can able to smell it actually. Okay, this is I want to go. What I want to do? Finally, I want to reach my aim is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square means my job is over. But here m square is there, so I can think for the quadratic. Something if I bring into m square into something, m into something is what? My job is over. This you can make it square by my y is equal to mx. You can bring this side first. So what will get? So squaring on both sides. So what will get? Y minus mx whole square is equal to a square m square plus b square. This also can expand. Then here what you will get? Y square m square x square minus 2y mx is equal to a square m square plus b square. Or you can bring one side, m square into something you can write, m into something you can write, remaining fellows you can write as a constant. So, what will you get? If I bring this side all, m square x square, sorry, m square, if you take common m square, what will you get? Tell me. Can I get x square minus a square? Say yes or no?
X square minus 1.
Hey, x square minus a square, how will you get 1? Huh?
Square minus a square.
Where you will get a 1? X square minus a square. Then, who is there? M into how many fellows is there? How many m terms are there? This m square term over, this m square over. M only one fellow only. Okay, yeah. So, then balance.
Plus y square minus b square.
Very good. Now, the given equation is what? Quadratic in m, where m is the parameter. So, directly can I add or not? Now, who is my a?
X square minus a square.
Who is my b?
Minus 2xy.
Very good, 2xy. Who is my c?
Y square minus b square.
So, slowly I will write. Given equation is quadratic in m, hence envelope is what? B square minus b square is equal to 4ac. But you can mention who is a, who already in my question also a is there. Don't take small a. Capital A, capital B, capital C you can take. Correct? And A and B also there. So I want to vary it actually. So given equation is what in quadratic form like this am square. Now who is A? Who is my B? Who is my C. Now envelope is what? B square is equal to 4AC. Now who is B square? 4x square y square is equal to 4AC. 4AC. Then simplify. X square y square terms also cancel, I think so. Simplify means we are simplifying into x square by x square plus y square will be equal to 1. Then bring this fellow this side. X square b square plus a square y square is equal to a square plus b square. Correct? Divide throughout by a square b square. Proved. See, it's LKG problem. Thing is what? You have to do peacefully steps. Nothing is there. Plus minus multiplication. Then in envelopes, connecting the relation is there. Two parameters, they will connect one relation they will go. Of that topic means my job is over envelopes, then we go for the beta gamma functions. Almost over. Next we go for the sequential series, somewhat theory subject. How to carefully listen. Here A is a parameter. See, looking this, some square are there. If you are able to bring A square into something, A into something plus constant means what your job is over. Just try to solve this. X minus A whole square, Y minus A whole square is equal to 2A, where A is the parameter. Try to bring A square into something, A into something, and remaining terms. Once you are able to sort out, you can tell what is A, what is B, what is C. Then you can write envelope is what? B square is equal to 4AC. That's it. Are you able to do or not? Can you able to do or not? Tell me. Are you there or not, all of you? Then do homework. Then stop records are those who are doing. Record you can stop enough.